How to integrate Shopify with Xero for accounting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect or integrate your Shopify store with Xero for accounting. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So basically, we're gonna use app, so official app in Shopify App Store. So you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then navigate to apps. Here you can click on it, and in the search box you can search Zero Xero, and you will find Zero integration. You can click on it, and this is their official app. So as you can see, you can change Shopify sales to Zero Daily for timely payout reconciliation, manage sales tax. It's available for Australian, UK, and New Zealand. And yeah, you can, show sales, discounts, and others. So yeah, you can just click install here and then you can just connect it to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.